Hi, welcome to Christian TV. I'm back with another wonderful videos. So I want you to go to your browser and search for a platform named squishycash.com. Squishycash.com. What is squishycash.com? This is a top platform you can go and start working for little tasks. By doing those tasks, they are going to pay you little income. You can see once a little extra cash, gift cards or prizes. It is easy to earn with Squishy Cash. You can see. Let me scroll up. Do offers. Membership is always 100% free. Get paid to fill out free offers. Take surveys. Play games. Sign up for free sites. Sign up for free trials and earn cashback for online shopping. Refer people and also get paid. That's it. You can see. Currently, they have 300,000 plus members. 300,000 plus members. So how can you register? Just scroll down, input your email here, and join. If you already registered before, just input your username and password. This is their present payment proof. You can see. And this is testimonies. You can see this is my first time on Squidgy Cash. The offers are approved fast and the support is wonderful. I made for $200 in 3 hours. So now I am hooked. Squidgy Cash is my favorite GPT site. They just paid me a week early. So what more can you ask for? Paula J. Palestine, Texas. So the number 2 platform I will be showing you, its name was Zoombox. Zoombox.com. What is Zoombox.com? You can see earn cash by completing survey, watching TV, doing offer. Instead of consuming your time just browsing the internet, doing what won't pay, you can come to this time and start doing petty and little tasks. Little tasks. By doing those tasks, they are going to pay you. They're going to pay you for doing those tasks. So this is how it works. Want engagement. Advertiser wants engagement for their service, product, and service. We recruit members. We find the members willing to get paid for completing various actions. You do online actions, take surveys, complete surveys, watch videos, and get paid with cash and gift cards. You cash out reward instantly. You can see all these are tasks you are going to perform. All these are tasks you are going to perform. All these are tasks you are going to perform. By doing all these tasks, they are going to pay you. They are going to pay you for doing all these tasks. Kindly hit the notification bell and subscribe button so you'll be the first one to be notified anytime I drop some video just like this. Thanks.